What is Google Cloud? This is the basic questions of every normal person. And why Google Cloud? Google Cloud is a platform for all the users, but why platform? So the why you should let us start by taking a look at this image which illustrates some of the issues that existed before cloud came into database and security, increasing cost, scalability issues, fast and fault tolerant, and managing servers. Servers cannot manage all the abilities. From the above image, it evidenced that the pre-cloud world was merged between problems, inability to secure database properly, cost optimization, incapability to scale and manage your servers, producing robust and fault tolerant devices. Did cloud solve these problems yet? No. Cloud is a collection of the servers and computers connected by a network which is owned by a third party vendor somewhere on the globe. So cloud makes, I will cross this and minimize the screen. Cloud made sure following things were taken care of: utmost care of data security by implementing strings policies, ensure uses of dynamically scalable servers, provide you with fast commutations and remote access to devices, flexible prices, ensures high cost optimizations. The cloud emerged as a savior, and with it we saw different cloud service providers like Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, etc. make their marks in the cloud domain. So next in this Google Cloud Platform tutorial, you would understand that why GCP came to the forefront, why Google Platform, and I have just mentioned that there are various Google services providers in the market. So what makes Google Platform different? Following images can show you all the information about this. Custom images pricing: GCP leaves all the competitions way behind with its highly flexible pricing and is rightly a leader here. Scalability and comes down and always be an issue for all the members. Pricing: GCP leaves all the competitions way behind with its highly flexible pricing and is highly a leader here. Scalability down can always be an issue with cloud services. GCP let you scale up and down with extreme ease. Custom machines: with custom machine type, you can easily create a machine type customized to your need with discount implications up to 50% off. And big data analysis: use BigQuery and big data analysis to carry out plethora of analytics practices. Serverless is a new paradigm of computing that abstracts away the complexity associated with managing servers for mobile and API backends, ATL, data processing jobs, databases, and more. In case you wish to know more about Google Cloud Platforms and also get introduced to its practices aspect, then the following video is highly recommended. This is mine video. So Google what is Google Cloud Platforms? You can think of it as collect of cloud services offered by Google. The Google platform hosts a wide range of services like comprising of compute, storage, applications development. Now, who can understand and access these services? Well, they can be accessed by developers, cloud administrators, and other enterprise IT professionals. This can be done through the public internet or through our dedicated network connections. Next, I will put forth of the core protection, functionalization, and services of GCP. I hope you like the video.